Now we've done a lot of work in QuickBooks. So we need to figure out a way to review what we've done. And this will also provide important information that we've been trying to collect, either for ourselves to know where our money is going, how much are we making, how are we spending it, and then also for our tax advisors so they can prepare our taxes for the end of the year, or maybe you're meeting with them in the middle of the year to get some tax planning advice. In order to review these reports, we want to go to Business Overview and then Reports. There are a few reports to review, so in this section, we will review the profit and loss. We want to select Profit and Loss. Normally, we want to make sure it's on a cash basis, and we do have a few different options. We can either record the activity that happened in the previous month, or we can select this year to last month, and we can see everything that has happened in the year up to the prior month, or we can choose this year to date. Once we've selected our options, we can click Run Report, and it will recalculate the report. One of the other fun items I like to use is changing the display columns by months, especially for the profit and loss report. Sometimes I like to see how much money did I make every single month. Maybe I see some increases, maybe I see something decreasing, and maybe I can identify any of those fluctuations and make corrections from there. So whether you view the report on a monthly basis or all at once, you want to go through and make sure everything kind of seems reasonable. So for example, I have a payment of $2,000 that's currently being marked as a payment from advertising and marketing. What if I was only supposed to pay them $1,000 and I accidentally duplicated their payment? Maybe I actually gave them twice as much as I was supposed to. Because I've noticed this, I can reach out to the vendor and ask for a refund. Or maybe I was supposed to pay something every single month. For example, I have this $2.99 charge, but I have it in March, nothing in April, something in May, nothing in June. What if that's because the payments are actually going to one of my personal accounts and I'm simply missing some of the business transactions? This is what will help you find when you're looking at this profit and loss report. The profit and loss report on a basic level is the money that the business receives and the money the business spends. And at the end of the day, you get to that final number, which is the profitability of your company. By reviewing this information, you can see any additional changes that might need to be made and also provide your tax advisor with some very important details they will need in order to set your business up for success. It is best to review this report on a monthly basis just to make sure you're capturing any errors in real time so that you can adjust your business operations accordingly.